दोस्तों, आपने एक वीडियो क्लिप देखी। अभी आपको करना क्या है, इस वीडियो में जो जो एक्टिविटी होती है, जो जो काम हो रहा है, आपको जैसे वीडियो में हो रहा है वैसे आपको यहाँ पे बोलना है। जैसे और यहाँ पर ज्यादातर हम दो टेंस का यूज करेंगे। एक तो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस जो अभी चल रहा है, उसके लिए आपको बोलना है ही इज, और जो भी एक्टिविटी हो रही है उसको आईएनजी लगाना है। और जो कंप्लीटेड एक्शन हो चुका है, जो एक्शन कंप्लीट हो चुकी है, उसके लिए सब्जेक्ट या तो हम ही लगाएंगे, ही हैज, और उसके बाद आपको थर्ड फॉर्म लगाना है। दोस्तों, ये फ्लुएंसी प्रोग्राम है, हम हमारे क्लासेस में प्रोग्राम्स कराते हैं। अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगता है तो आप उसको लाइक कीजिए और उसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। फ्लुएंसी के लिए आपको ऐसी कमेंट्री करना ही पड़ेगा। बाकी आप सिर्फ क्लास ज्वाइन करोगे या वो चुका है, चुकी है, रहा है, रही, इस तरीके से सीखोगे तो आप इंग्लिश फ्लुएंट नहीं बोल पाओगे। तो करना क्या है, इस वीडियो में, इस क्लिपिंग में जो जो एक्टिविटी हो रही है आपको वो बोलने की कोशिश करना है। और दूसरे पार्ट में मैंने तो वो करके दिखाया ही है। थैंक यू दोस्तों।
Hi guys, as you can see here, a man sleeping on the mat. He is sleeping on the mat. He has put his both hand on the chest. Now he is stretching his both hands. Now he is rubbing his eyes. As you can see here in the video, he is rubbing his both eyes. Now again he is stretching his both hands. He is stretching his palm. Now he is stretching his right palm. At this time he's fixing his shirts. He is fixing his shirt and he's trying to get up. He's trying to get up and he has got up. He has got up. He has got up, as you can see. Now he has taken a bottle. He is opening the cap of the bottle. He's opening cap of the bottle and he is drinking a water. He's drinking a water, as you can see there. There is a bottle. He's drinking a water. He has drunk the water and he is closing the cap. He has tightened the cap and he has put the bottle away. Now he is taking a hanky from his back pocket. He's taking a hanky. He has taken a hanky and he is wiping his mouth. He's wiping his mustache. As you can see there. Now he is putting hanky in the back pocket. He is fixing his shirt again. As you can see here, he is fixing his shirt again. Good. Now he's trying to take a mobile. Now there is a mobile in his left hand and he's at the same time he's fixing his shirt. Now he's using a mobile. He's scrolling up. He's scrolling up, scrolling up, he's scrolling up, he's scrolling down, scrolling down, he's scrolling down, he's scrolling down. Now he's pressing the button, he's pressing the button. You can see there, he's pressing the button. Good. Now he has put the mobile on the table. He is arranging his hair with right hands. He is moving, he's pulling the table. Now he is adjusting some books. There are some books. Now he is looking here and there, and he has sat. He is again taking a mobile and he has got up. Now he has got up. He is again fixing his shirt. And he is moving towards a switchboard. There is a mobile in his both hands and he's moving towards switchboard. Now he's trying to fix the mobile for charging. Now he's putting his mobile for charging and he's putting mobile on the chair. He's putting mobile on the chair. As you can see there, he's again trying to fix the cable for charging. Good. Now he is switching on the button. Okay. Now he has turned and he is moving. He is moving towards the window. Now there is a comb. He has taken a comb. There is a comb in his hand, and with the right hand he is combing his hair. With the right hand he is combing his hair, and with the left hand he is taking a support. Now he is combing with left hand, again with right hand, and taking a support with left hand. Good. Now he has put comb. He's rubbing his hand. He's rubbing his hand on the mouth, as you can see there. Now he has bow down, and he is folding a mat. He's folding a mat now. As you can see there in the video, he's folding a mat with both hands. He's folding a mat with both hands. Now he is putting a mat on the chair, and he has turned a back. He has turned a back, and as you can see there, he is moving towards the whiteboard, and there is a marker in his hand. He has opened the cap of the marker. He's trying to open. Now he has started writing something, and he is writing right now. I think he is writing Sanjeevani. He is writing Sanjeevani. He has written Sanjeevani. Now he is writing spoken, and he has written a spoken. Now I think he is writing English. He is writing English, and at the same time he is also writing a mobile number, that is 9824584000. Now he has written Sanjeevani spoken English with the mobile number 9824584000, and